Introducing TRITON, the industry's first production-ready test cell platform optimized and engineered for high-volume silicon photonics and co-packaged optics. Designed to meet the demands of modern photonics manufacturing, TRITON brings a decade of CM300 silicon photonics technology from advanced R&D into scalable production. Built through a strategic partnership between FormFactor, Advantest, and TEL, TRITON combines proven test expertise with manufacturing-ready automation. The result is a single integrated platform delivering precision, repeatability, and automation for high-volume manufacturing scalability. At its core, TRITON delivers the world's most proven and accurate automated photonic alignment with 9-axis nano-precision. FormFactor's FAUs optical probe technology achieves industry-leading ultra-low coupling loss from fiber to device. TRITON supports low-loss edge and surface coupling for both grating-coupled and edge-coupled devices within a single system. Single-click automated calibration, optical scanning, and measurement dramatically reduce setup time and accelerate production readiness. Fully integrated with Advantest V93000, TRITON enables fully automated, wafer-level optical and electrical co-measurements in one unified test flow. Compatible with FormFactor's MF80 and MF130 high-density probe cards and optical fiber array units, TRITON maximizes test density and throughput. Exceptional stability delivers coupled power repeatability within 0.3 dB across long production runs. Compatibility with overhead transport systems and SexGem factory automation enables rapid deployment into manufacturing environments. Fully automated wafer handling, calibration, and measurement reduce operator involvement and increase throughput. Silicon Photonics Tools manages wafer-level optical workflows, calibration, and high-density test execution. TRITON Connect software simplifies probe station control for manufacturing operators. Together, these capabilities shorten test time while delivering the accuracy required for AI, co-packaged optics, and data centers. TRITON, production-ready silicon photonics testing, engineered to scale.